And this is the view outside of my truck. This is where I am sleeping tonight. Haha. Right on my own private beach. Yep. It might be a wild ride. There are some powerful storms moving through. So it is a full moon eclipse tonight, and this is where I will be in ceremony with it.
Hello, Raven Shri here, wild soul wandering. I am in my truck right next to a lake in the mountains, and I am sinking into some ceremonial vibrations to support my preparation for this full moon that's active right now. And this full moon is a great time to reflect on your summer season and to move that reflection through your chakras and see how each of those frequencies has vibrated and come alive in your world. And then also with this full moon, as you celebrate that reflection of your journey and honoring the fullness that it's led to in this moment, and that full moon intention, there can be this opening of a dream, of a prayer, of a call, of a mantra, of seed that you plant in these chakra centers that you can continue to grow throughout this summer season, that season of fire and action and intentionality. Yay! It is the full moon, and it is an eclipse, and it is a powerful time in this now for you to seize and engage and bring alive this potentiality of your soul spirit in this now. And taking a moment to come into your breath, allowing that breath to fill the capacity of your being. And on your exhale, sinking into this full moment of now, the complete 360 in all directions, extending outward forever, and then from that forever space, inhaling, and repeating that process, a breath medicine, breath prayer. And I am building a little altar on the shelf that is in my RV, and I want to share this beautiful little creature that comes with me on so many of my journeys. And I want to connect into my chakras as I prepare for this ceremony, really honoring how each chakra has evolved through this summer season, and also what intentions and prayers do I want to seed in each of these energetic centers. So my little chakra guy. This guy goes on so many journeys with me. The turtle is a sign for the medicine wheel. Typically they have 13 little thingy-majiggies on their back, and it's the 13 moons of the year. And so just honoring the 4 directions, and he's so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, that Shri, that effervescent light of the divine in my heart, spreading that out as a queen into the world. Yes, 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 yes. Finding a man of this caliber. Oh my God, that is my dream vision, seeded into my being. Woo, woo. And then, of course, Raven. Oh, the bringer of light, the shapeshifter, the guardian to the threshold. Raven, as geese fly by. Do you hear him? Yeah. This is, oh my God. Core. This is core. This is the heart that I found when I started the Good Guy Tour last year. Oh my gosh. I have some amazing men coming into my life as of late, and they're all good. The Good Guy Tour is setting that foundation in place, and then what could happen is, whee! Shumbeki Gochigila. Look at that. Oh my God. See how fun it is to set up altars? It's just like I get to rub love into my body.
The storm is picking up. Yes. Oh my gosh. Look at that. What? Oh my gosh. My truck is rocking. Oh my golly.
This moon cycle has activated a lot of energy with the element of water. So what I did was I brought one of my little travel altars here, which is actually dedicated to the element of water. And in this, and I haven't worked with this for a while, is a travel size deck of cards that are mine. These are some of my SoulCollage creations. So I'm going to pull a couple of this. I'm going to pull a card for kind of the past of my sexuality, the present of my sexuality, and the future of my sexuality. What? Past, present, future. Future has two. Future has two. Okay. La-di-da-di-da. Let's see what showed us up. So the past of my sexuality. Wow. That's powerful. Oh, the current of my sexuality. I like that. And the future. Oh, that's meaningful. Wow. Oh. I'm gonna have to, oh, yay. Look at all that abundance and love. That's a good spread. I look forward to exploring that one too.